Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of the Gozney Dome Pizza Oven with AmazingRibs.com's Dave Drockham. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Let's take a closer look at the Gozney Dome Dual Fuel Outdoor Pizza Oven. It comes pretty much ready to go out of the box. You just have to stick the flue pipe into the exhaust outlet in the top of the dome. It comes with a rain cap that you remove before firing it up. You can place the dome on a stable surface of your choosing or buy the dome stand shown here, which is sold separately. The area below the oven is called the dock. Zooming in, the main control panel is on the left. It has an on-off button and 2 jacks for inserting food temperature probes, which are included. Just lift the rubber cover, insert the probes, and you can monitor 2 different food temps. Directly below the oven floor is a storage area just big enough for the 6-inch pieces of kiln-dried wood that Gozney provides. The temperature control knob is on the right-hand side of the dock. On this dual fuel model, ignition and temp control function like they do on a typical gas grill. To the right of the temp knob is an electric accessory port for various Gozney accessories. And to the right of that is the ashtray for disposing of your wood ashes. On the back, you can see the gas hose connected to a standard 20-pound propane tank for cooking with gas instead of wood. You can buy the 2 essential pizza peels from Gozney, a wide one for loading pizzas, and a narrow one for turning them in the oven, or pick them up at a cooking supply store. The dome is insulated with ceramic fiber and calcium silicate beneath the floor of the oven. The oven floor is cordierite. Inside you can see the dual fuel options. The gas burner is located on the left, the wood burning area is on the right, just above the air intake. Gozney includes a removable stone puck so you can switch from one fuel to the other. When cooking with gas, you cover the wood-burning air intake with the puck. If you're cooking with wood, you remove the puck and place it on the gas hole. Let's put it back over the wood burner. On the ceiling of the oven, you can see the exhaust screen that directs smoke and air up and out of the flue. And just below that, in the upper back, is the built-in digital thermometer probe that feeds the temperature info to your digital display on the control panel. Zooming out, let's take a look at the optional stand. It's a sturdy, well-built stand with 4 locking casters and 2 flip-up work tables on the left and right sides. The tables are easy to lift and lock in place with one hand. That gives you a little workspace for toppings, plates, and your pizza peels for loading and turning. If you don't want the stand, dome can be placed on any sturdy surface. Let's fire this baby up. With the propane option, the dome is as simple to operate as a gas grill. We already have the gas tank open. Just press the power button and the display screen will read on, and then show the ambient oven temperature, which is currently 118 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty warm since we cured the stone an hour or 2 before shooting this video. To fire up the burner, all you do is push and hold the temp control knob while rotating it a quarter turn to the left. First you'll hear the click of the electronic ignition. Then when you hear the whoosh of the pilot light being lit, continue turning the knob to the left or counterclockwise and voila, the flames begin. You'll see beautiful orange flames rolling across the roof of the oven, exactly what you want to cook a pizza top to bottom in less than 2 minutes. And there it is, a push-button outdoor pizza oven that gets up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit right out of the box. If you prefer wood, the dual-fuel dome gives you that option. Either way, the dome is a versatile outdoor oven that cooks pizza, cast iron seared steaks, and more. Gozney sells a variety of accessories like an oven door for lower temperature roasting and smoking, and even a steam injection insert for baking high-rising crusty breads. The Gozney Dome, looking good, let's get cooking! Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.